Okay, that's Lone Pine Peak in the distance, and it's well above 12,000 feet to get up to the top. We're heading straight for the middle of that ridge, and then we hope to dive back down it. It's 6,000 feet of climb to get to the very top of that ridge, and it's really tricky getting in between all of these canyon walls and everything. I've got to really pay attention so that I don't disconnect. So we were camped out at Lone Pine Campground. It's about a half mile to the north of here. And when I looked up to the Sierras, I could see this massive peak, Lone Pine Peak, but there's no clear path from the campground to fly to the top, and also it appeared to be too far away to reach. But we did notice a dirt road at the base of the mountain that looked like it might be passable with a van, so we headed over there and went as far as we could. Then I walked out a couple hundred yards from the van to try and get myself centered with the canyon as best I could for the flight up. But it's a massive mountain, the biggest mountain I've ever flown, and I had no idea if I could get to the summit and back on one battery. So I took it easy for the first few flights just to kind of get a feel for the mountain and see what the boundaries were and how well the connection would hold up. So I got in 4 flights the first day, and then I studied the video and the goggles that night to just kind of see how it went and try and make plans for the next day. Next morning we went back out and I got in another 4 flights, and this time I just pushed my own personal limits to get as low and as fast as I could. I did have 2 disconnects, and that really got my adrenaline going, but I was able to recover and continue the flight. Without a doubt, this is the most exciting mountain I've ever flown, and it kept my adrenaline pumping hard the whole time. It just amazes me that these trees can grow on this steep rocky slope. This video is from the second day, and on each flight down the mountain I tried to take a different path or a different line so I could just get the full feel and experience of the mountain. There's really no other way to experience a mountain like this, and that's the real beauty of FPV drones, and that's why I like this hobby so much. The most exciting part for me is coming up over the top of the mountain and then that view, and then making that turn to plan your flight down the mountain and which way you're going to go. It's just, it's really exciting. Coming up over the top right now. Wow, what a view.